Hello there. Today we are discussing about how to prepare for competitive exams. The session of competitive exams is knocking the door. Are you ready for it? The preparation of competitive exam is really daunting. But if you follow a proper strategy, then it can be much more easier. For which competitive exam you are going to prepare? Like banking, SSC, railway, or like GATE exam, or it can be anything. It can be for civil services also, like IAS, OAS. Schedule the planning. It is crucial thing you want to do prior to the preparation. Once you have decided to begin with it, adjust your timeline and plan way ahead. The most essential tool for any competitive exam is to use your presence of mind. Studying till the last moment can lead to stress and exhaustion. Check the syllabus and make yourself comfortable with a timetable and study pattern. Shorter study session, it can be useful for you. As per psychologist, one student can learn and grasp more things in 1 hour short sessions rather than 6 hour continuous class. When you impose a time restriction in your mind, you will study more and your brain works more effectively. Take a break times. Shorter study schedule also gives you a facility of taking small breaks where your mind will absorb whatever you have learned in the break. Prepare the break timetable where you should add some recreational activities that will help your brain to not get bored. I repeating this. Prepare the break timetable where you should add some recreational activities that will help your brain to not get bored. Smart work is better than hard work. As per research, the alertness of your mind for a subject is always matters than the time you spent on it. Smart work is better than hard work. Remember in any situations. 4 hours of distraction free study is greater than 10 hours of studying with noisy buzzing in your ears. You can't control all the noise around, but you can schedule your study time to early morning or late night where everything is quiet and no distraction. I suggest you wake up at 4 a.m. and start your preparation at 5 a.m. It will helpful to you. Always take 10 minutes of break while shuffling the subjects. That will reorient your brain for it. Note taking always works. Always prepare notes whenever you are studying as this will be helpful at time of revision. Always stick to your timetable and the finishing date. That will give an extra time for calculating your performance in different ways like mock test or practice of previous questions, paper, etc. There are several other ways to make yourself active for tricking the competitive exams. Pick the most difficult subject in the first phase of studying and easier for later when you are feeling low. If you are sitting with books but feeling too sleepy, then it's a waste of time as your brain will not receive anything whatever you study. If you get sleepy, then sleep for a short nap. It will refresh your brain. Do not keep the same type of subject one after another as it will block the brain usage where your brain needs a space of breathing too. Always put contrasting subjects that will make your brain to engage more and engaged brain observes more. Always prepare an overview that will give you an idea about the topics including in the chapter. It can be headings, subheadings, summary or a short points. And I wanted to put you here are 7 methods for how to prepare a competitive exam with extra bonus tips. First thing you want to remember that understanding the syllabus. It is a crucial thing in any preparation. Prepare an effective daily study schedule. Fix weekly targets and achieve them. Be positive and confident. Refer to standard study material. Take proper rest and sleep. Revise, revise, and revise. Studying what is most required helps more. Time management plays a very important role in your preparation for any competitive exam. Remember that the exam that you are going to appear for is not an easy one. So beware of your strength and weakness and make your strategy for more time management. All the best for your all competitive exams and what are the things you are going to do in your life. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.